It's been over 10 months now, but what exactly happened on the 17th of January in Hotel Leela Palace remains a mystery because Sunanda Pushkar's death is now taking a fresh twist. Sources are indicating that Delhi police is now gathering details from people who communicated with Sunanda before she died. Investigators are also saying that they will record statements of all the people who are close to Sunanda. Bhavtosh joining us on this. Bhavtosh, we've been getting a lot of reports of the decision by the Delhi police to investigate the case further, even to send Sunanda's viscera sample abroad. Do we see any confirmation on that? Do we also see Shashi Tharoor, the former union minister, being called for a statement to be recorded?
Well, in fact, days before Sunanda died, she had interacted with several people. She had been also very active on a micro-blogging network site. The police have got her call detail records and are constantly in touch with people who had either SMS'd her or had called her. In fact, the police has said that the number runs in at least 100 persons. These include media personnel, also some very close friends of Sunanda Pushkar. Now, the police wants to know whether Sunanda told them she was in any kind of threat, or she was under depression, or she was suffering from some trauma, or what was her state of mind just say 48 hours before she was found dead. At the same time, police have said that they are mulling over this option of sending a viscera sample to UK. They have in fact zeroed down on a lab in England where the sample could be sent. Now, this is because the viscera report that was prepared by CFSL said that no traces of any antidepressant pill has been found in her stomach, whereas doctors of All India Institute of Medical Sciences
कि हमारी इंक्वेस्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स जारी हैं, उसमें जो भी आवश्यक है मैं उसको हम कर रहे हैं। बाकी अखबारों में जो कई बार छपता है उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दो, जो आपको ऑफिशियली बताया जाए उसी पे ध्यान दीजिएगा।
तो सर, अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो क्या उनके हस्बैंड से पूछताछ की जा सकती है?
देखिए, जो भी आवश्यक होगा वो किया जाएगा, और जो भी आपको आधिकारिक तौर पे बताया जाए उस पर आप विश्वास करें। बाकी जो है
तो ये अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो इंट्रोगेशन के लिए
मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता। बाकी इतना जरूर कहूँगा आपको कि जो भी आधिकारिक तौर पे आपको बताया जाएगा पूरी तफ्तीश हो जाने के बाद में, तो उसको आप मद्देनजर रखिएगा।
ये कहा जा सकता है शशि थरूर से भी पूछताछ हो सकती है?
देखा, हाँ बिल्कुल, इसमें जो भी जरूरी होगा, जिससे भी बातचीत करने की आवश्यकता होगी उससे जो है बातचीत की जाएगी, और जो भी उसमें आवश्यक होगा किया जाएगा।